Get on your coaster.
3, 2, 1, go! Hi, I'm Tyler.
And I'm Waffles.
Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Laurie.
I'm Zach.
I'm Ryan.
And this is How to Introduce. So with my schedule, as we were approaching 4th of July, it was much harder for me to find the time to put into this channel into making the videos that we needed to. We were able to get a bunch of us together to have a talk and a conversation about what the future of How To looks like and how other people can get involved. So we're gonna be having a lot of new faces that you're gonna be seeing on the channel here as we rotate people in and out. This is all just off the cuff, streamline of consciousness. You know how you do that thing. There's a lot of people watching me right now. This is weird and interesting. This is not normal what we usually do. Usually people are watching us through a camera, not in the room with me. Okay, moving on. So this video is just to introduce you to some of the new faces you're gonna be seeing here on the channel and to get to know them just a little bit better and what they'll be doing here on camera. So this is Waffles.
Hey, I'm Waffles.
You already know him, so he can go. We're done with you. Thank you. This is Chris. That's my dad. He's gonna be
Wow.
he's gonna be doing a lot of finance stuff, so helping you learn about what credit cards are, 401ks, mortgages versus rent, things like that. This is my mom. Everybody shut up, Zach. This is Laurie. This is my mom. She's gonna be working on, we don't even know what to call your playlist. It's not, we're working on life hacks, but that just doesn't feel right. That's kind of gross. Mom tips, that could be good. Things that you would want to know going out into the real world, like how to make your bed, quick and easy meals to make at home for yourself, cleaning your shower, things like that. This is Zach. He is just a friend, no relation at all. And he's gonna be working on things like filmmaking. So teaching you how to storyboard, different elements to that and putting those pieces together. We're both talking with our hands a lot. That's interesting, isn't it?
I like it.
Cool. And this is Ryan, another friend of mine, and he'll be working on lifestyle and mindfulness types of videos. Things like meditation, stuff you would want to know to better take care of yourself.
That's why I'm here. Yeah.
What is the worst name you could give to your child?
Tyler.
Thank you very much. Go away. That's the exact answer I wanted, by the way. That's perfect. What is the creepiest thing you could say to a stranger on the street?
You looked really good last night while you were sleeping. And the night before.
What inanimate object do you wish you could strike from existence? What thing do you wish just didn't exist?
Anyone? Waffles?
No, thing. What? I'm an object. Object of my affection. A thing. Just a thing that you wish didn't exist. Like
Phlegm.
selfie sticks. Phlegm. Phlegm's a good thing.
Phlegm, I think.
Phlegm's inanimate, right?
Yeah, well, unless you animate it.
How many chickens do you think it would take to kill an elephant?
I would say maybe like, 20, 30, 50. I mean, eventually they'll peck at the inside.
Do you think that would be enough? Just about like 30 to 50 chickens to take down an elephant?
Yeah, I think if they're annoying enough, they can knock it down.
That's a good
Yeah.
answer. It's good enough, yeah. I'm okay with that answer. Awesome. If animals could talk, which one would be the rudest?
Cats.
Cats would be the rudest animal?
Hands down cats.
Okay, cats is a good answer. I get that. They're assholes. Are you proud of me? Like, just in general?
I could not be prouder of any human being that walks the face of the planet because you're perfect.
That didn't feel real.
Okay, sometimes I'm proud of you, sometimes I'm really not so proud of you.
There's the real answer.
Thank
That's
you.
what I wanted to hear. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. How many staplers would it take to build the Eiffel Tower? Like, if you built an Eiffel Tower out of staplers.
Just one.
One stapler. How does that work?
I'm using popsicle sticks.
Thank you very much. Get off camera now. Everybody get in here. Get you all your wonderful, beautiful faces. Get them in camera. And this is the How To family. Hopefully you'll be seeing a lot of these faces and maybe some more in the coming episodes that we will be writing, producing, recording for you, the audience. So look forward to some live streams of those recordings as well as live streams of editings as well as these faces and particular videos and playlists. Look forward to that and look forward to other things in life, not How To related. Just be excited about your future in general. That's just try to be happy and look on the bright side of life sometimes. Somebody that can whistle, do the thing for me. Great. Okay, bye.
See you later.
There's enough there to use, right?
Yeah.
Sure.
That's good.
Oh, my knees.
And look forward to the videos that we'll be making in the next couple of weeks, months, years, who knows how long this will run. Oh, look, the video ended. It stopped itself.